So I did an update on this model train 3D printed. I changed the format or the orientation, how I'm doing this. I replaced a lot of parts. I mean, I changed a lot. This was meant for Mattel Diesel 10. But I had a lot of problems with the orientation on how to achieve or get most of the details. But now I am doing this in two parts. I'm sharing with you two parts. I had to redesign the entire thing. It took me 6 hours to redesign everything because I had to cut right here, all this right here. So we print in two parts and we got better results now with the model Daisy, the Railcar. Obviously, since this is going to be, it will be painted and detailing. Actually, I stopped 3D printing this in color. The shade we have is not even close to some customizers don't like the shade, but I no longer have the time to do that. So I'm going to start printing on gray for all the models. And so we have less complications with picking the colors. Still, the buyers likes to paint in different shade and add coat of primer and then reapply the shade they desire. But yeah, I changed that, and now we have this lines more pronounced. I had to rechange everything on this model. Yeah, I had the problems with this printing. I used to print like so, 45 degree, because otherwise we could get really bad prints. If we print this way, we have really bad rooftop. If we have this way, printed this way, we have a bad bottom part, and I don't want to have that really bad shape. So in this case, we have more, better printing lines than having a lot of issues. Printing is standard. So with the standard print, it is working. If I print with ultra fine, fine details, it takes more time. And also gets a better finish, but it takes way too much time. But still, for the price, you can find this on the link. I'm making posts. Check my posts. The posts I have. I will keep just the links for the models, just for a few, because I'm not doing a lot. Just for a few models, if someone asks me. Don't like eBay. Don't like eBay anyways. But this is the way it comes. This is the way it comes. The shell of this model, printed like so. Well, don't take me wrong. I appreciate that there are others printing, but let's compare side by side. As you can see, this is the problem we are talking about. When we print like on this orientation, it does give you a really bad layer lines. So this is the reason I try to make it in two parts, and then we got better results. We don't have to have that. I don't like that, but it's just a sample. I'm not talking about the seller or whoever did that model or print that model. Obviously, we are trying to avoid bad prints, but in this case, this is what we have so far. And I will not print anymore in color. So still people, add some primer and different shade, but whoever is interested, I will have few available. Link in the description. Beautiful.